Hello and welcome to Livingstone Estate's exclusive guide to Estepona's New Golden Mile. I'm Pamela Fernandez and today I'll take you on a journey through one of the Costa del Sol's most prestigious stretches of coastline. Whether you're a prospective buyer or just dreaming of a life in the sun, join us as we explore the luxury, lifestyle and opportunities that awaits you here. The New Golden Mile, stretching from the western edge of San Pedro de Alcántara to the beautiful town of Estepona, is a symbol of luxury and development. Here you'll find an exclusive residential complexes offering luxury beachfront apartments and high-end villas with breathtaking sea views. The area is also a hub of world-class amenities, including gourmet restaurants, luxury spas, and vibrant beach clubs. Let's delve into the distinct sub-areas of the New Golden Mile. From the beach side, with its luxurious apartments and villas, to the Gulf side, where modern urbanizations and majestic mansions like those in Los Flamingos stand. Each area offers a unique charm and lifestyle. Whether you prefer a beachfront villa, a Mediterranean-style apartment, or a contemporary townhouse, the New Golden Mile caters to diverse tastes. The area also sees a trend of renovations, with many homeowners updating their properties to modern standards. The New Golden Mile offers properties for every budget, with prices ranging from 150,000 to 20 million euros. The cost varies significantly based on location, type, and proximity to the beach or golf courses. For those looking to build their dream home, the New Golden Mile also has plots available, with prices starting at 120 euros per square meter. The diversity in location and views provides numerous opportunities for potential buyers. Estepona also boasts excellent medical facilities and a range of educational options, from international schools to prestigious local institutions, ensuring a high quality of life for residents of all ages. The lifestyle here is unmatched. Enjoy pristine beaches, championship golf courses, and relax in award-winning spas. Estepona's New Golden Mile is not just a location, it's a lifestyle. Safety is paramount in the New Golden Mile, with local police stations, regular patrols, and secure gated communities, ensuring peace of mind for residents and visitors alike. As the leading agency in the New Golden Mile, Livingstone Estates is your trusted partner in finding the perfect property. With over 20 years of experience, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Estepona's New Golden Mile. Whether you're looking to buy, rent, or just dreaming of a Mediterranean lifestyle, Livingstone Estates is here to make your dreams a reality. Visit our website or contact us for more information. Until next time!